What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 15 free stocks, Moomoo is going to give you up to 15 free stocks when you open a new Moomoo brokerage account. When you put $100 in that new brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. When you put $1,000 in that new brokerage account, they're going to give you 15 free stocks. Limited time offer. Don't delay. Act today. Get down in the description box. Click on the Moomoo link. Open up the Moomoo account. Go get the free stock. Go get the free money. I will also send you 2 Moomoo tutorial videos to walk you through how to use the Moomoo brokerage app so that you can start buying big boy blue chip paper assets to build your wealth immediately. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Send me that email. Let me know you opened the Moomoo account. Let me know you funded it, and I'll send you out those tutorial videos. Well, guys, today was an amazing day in the stock market, especially for smaller companies. I traded 3 of my 5 shorts today and got into them this morning and got out of them by noon today and made about $3,300. Disclaimer, I'm not a trader. I'm an investor. I'm a long-term investor, buy and hold big boy blue chip. But I also have a short-term strategy that I use with smaller companies to make a little bit of free cash flow. I like to call it FCF. So just for the record, I don't recommend you guys do this. I'm just telling you what I did to make a little bit of money today because I had some time on my hands and I could follow these companies. Also, disclaimer, I've been buying and following these companies all year. So I know some patterns that they've established. So I know when I should be buying them and when I shouldn't be buying them. Again, this is not something that everybody should do. I'm sharing this information with you because that's what I like to do on my YouTube channel. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an expert. I'm a regular guy, but I am a traditional investor long-term by nature, but I do some short-term investing from time to time. Having said that, let's move into what I wanted to talk about. The 3 shorts that I purchased today and I sold today. The first one is going to be Rocket Lab USA Inc. Ticker symbol RKLB. Now it closed today at $28.44, but it opened at $26.60. And for today, it was up $1.84. I bought in around $27.77. And here was my goal. My goal was to get 20 to 30 cents per share upside, and then I would bail out. I wasn't going to go for the long journey in this one till the end of the day. I just wanted to jump in because I could see it was moving upward, and I wanted to catch some of that upward momentum, and I was not sure if it would fall off the cliff by end of day. So my strategy was, okay, while this thing is doing great going up, jump in, get your 20 to 30 cents per share, and then jump out. And that's what I did. And it did well. So the high today was $28.80. The low today was $26.11. So a lot of movement in there. But all in all, between $1 and $2 upside for the most of the day. I took advantage of that, jumped into it, jumped out of it, and it was a great little in and out for me today. So let's move on to number 2, which is Serve Robotics Inc. Ticker symbol SERV. Closed today at $17.64. It opened at $14.40. So already off the bat, you can see from where it opened to where it closed, it was up more than $3 today, guys. I didn't know that would happen. I just looked at it pre-market this morning and it looked like it had a little momentum. And then when normal hours opened at 9:30, it took off. Again, my goal was not to get in this thing and ride it all day long. It was to get in early, establish an entry, make me some money, and then exit. And so that's what I did. Now, the high today was actually $18.21. So you can tell right there, guys, it was a winner today. $3.50 up today, almost a 25% bounce today. So it was a good opportunity for me to use Serve Robotics to make a little bit of FCF. Now, normally with Serve Robotics, I don't buy it this high, but I saw it had positive momentum and I thought it would go higher, and it did. So I'm glad I got in on it. Normally, I buy Serve Robotics in the $8 per share range. Right now, it's doing very well. I think next year, beginning of next year, it will come back down, and that's when I'll take a more longer term look at Serve Robotics. But it did extremely well today. Today's low on the stock price was $14.33. So let's move on to number 3, which is Applied Digital Corp, ticker symbol APLD. Closed today at $9.20. Opened today at $8.66. So just right off the bat there, opened at $8.66, closed at $9.20. There's plenty of room in there to be able to make some profit. And that's what I took advantage of. Again, I wasn't going to be a long-termer in this. I wasn't trying to ride it all the way to 4 o'clock. My job was to get in early, establish my entry, and then know in my head what my exit was. Again, I'm trying to pick up 20, 30, 40, 50 cents per share. Now I'm dealing with some large quantities of money that I'm putting in there as well, right? But that's the opportunity, right? So you gotta risk and you gotta reward. I thought today that the reward was bigger than the risk. And that's the reason I took the risk. And it paid off for me. Not gigantic numbers, but again, guys, $3,300 I made in the matter of, an hour and a half to 2 hours. I made $3,300 by watching these 3 stocks and then establishing my entry and knowing what my exit would be, and didn't get greedy. I was tempted to get greedy, but I didn't. Now, here's the thing. Hindsight's 2020. If I would have stayed in them till close today, I probably would have made more. But again, guys, that's a risk that I wasn't willing to take. I wanted to get in and get out. I'm comfortable with the $3,300 I made. Think about it. You do that on say it's 200 trading days in a year. That's pretty good money. That's over $600,000. Now, I know every day ain't going to be a winner, but I'm just trying to give you some idea of if I wanted to do this and concentrate it on a daily basis, you can make some pretty decent money. Today was just an opportunity for me to try it out, to see if I liked it. And I did like it. Got to be careful, though, because you can easily go down a rabbit hole with this kind of stuff. So will never replace my long-term investment strategy, but for the extra little cash I have on the sideline, it was a good way for me to make some money. Again, the high was $9.35. The low was $8.58. And like I said, it closed at $9.20, up 43 cents or 4.9% on the day. So all 3 of my shorts served me well. I made money in all 3. My biggest winner was actually Applied Digital. Made a couple grand in Applied Digital. The other 2, I made about 800 a piece, something in that area. And again, guys, I wasn't in this thing to try to hit a home run and retire myself. I was in this thing to say, well, you know something, Rich, you got some time on your hand. It's the end of the year. These smaller companies look like they're running today, may not be running tomorrow. Why not jump in here and see if you can grab your $3,000 or $4,000, $5,000 and jump out of them and go about your business. And that way you get some productivity out of your day. Again, my long-term strategy, they're doing great. Y'all know my wealth transfer blueprint 1.0, 2.0, fantastic. NVIDIA today bounced between, 139 and 140. So back at the resistance level of 140. I don't believe it'll do anything better than that for the remainder of the year. I think going into 2025 in January, there's a chance it could pick up some momentum. I doubt the Wall Street aliens will allow it to get over 140 a share this year. Now, I could be totally wrong because I'm not an expert. I'm just a guy giving you my opinion. I don't think so. But I'm happy with what I've done this year in the video, guys. I'm really, really happy with the portfolio on the 1.0 and the 2.0 long term. I look to rinse and repeat next year and also take my 5 to 7 shorts, because I've added a couple more, and back in the game heavy on those on January 2nd. We'll see what the market does tomorrow, but typically on Fridays, the market likes to sell off, especially with these smaller companies having such a monster day to day. I'm expecting they sell off tomorrow, people taking profits. And then, we got Monday and Tuesday, and that's it. 24 is in the rearview mirror. We're into 25. I hope you got your game plan together. If you want up to 15 free stocks, Moomoo is going to give you up to 15 free stocks when you open a new Moomoo brokerage account. Guys, get down in the description box and click on that Moomoo link. Put you some money in your Moomoo account and get you up to 15 free stocks. Go get that free money, guys. Don't sleep on that opportunity. www.richardfain.net is my website address. Second link down in the description box. Got 10 big boy blue chip digital products that will change your financial life. Many of you guys have made that investment in yourself and purchased the digital products. Matter of fact, I had 3 or 4 of them purchased today. And I tell you what, guys, people are really excited about the digital products because it starts to build their library of financial literacy that they can lean on in order to get them comfortable making investments. You can't expect somebody to tell you everything to do. At some point, you got to build your own library of financial literacy to get your knowledge base up so you can execute. And that's what the digital products do. Go check them out. While you're in the website, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're the Wealth Builders. We got 1,200 wealth builders in our community, and all we do is help one another build wealth. We'd love to help you build wealth. We're not experts. We don't try to be experts. We don't try to tell you what to do. But when you got 1,200 people in your financial community, you got different levels of financial literacy. You got different levels of investment knowledge. We bring all that together. We answer questions, drop golden nuggets, best practices, tips, what's working, what's not working, and an overall safe environment for you to build wealth. We'd love to have you in our community. All you got to do is hit the membership button or the join button in the website. It'll take you over to Patreon, and you can join the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We'd love to have you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.